YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. So today I'll going to discuss one new tutorial series on Oracle Forms and Reports development, that is D2K. So this is the video for tutorial 4. So already I uploaded 3 videos on Oracle Forms developer D2K. So as you see in my screen, this is the first one, introduction to Oracle Forms developer D2K, and this is the second one, Oracle Forms developer creating the first form, and this is the third tutorial. So in this video I'll discuss about a new topic. So today's discussion is about in this video I'll discuss about how we can create a master detail form. Okay, so in this video tutorial I'm going to discuss about all these 3 points. What is a master detail relationship or relation, how to create a master detail form, and how to do database operations using master detail form. Okay, so these are the main 3 topics we will going to cover in this video tutorial part. Okay, so this is Oracle Form Developer tutorial part 4. Okay, so I'll start one by one. But before that I want to share about my channel, who are new visitor to my channel and who are new visitor to this video. For them I wanted to share about my channel. So this channel RK SoftAcademy is basically a video tutorial channel for different Oracle for sharing different Oracle technologies. Video tutorial that is on Oracle SQL, that means structured query language, Oracle PL/SQL, that is Oracle PL/SQL programming, Oracle database architecture and database design, Oracle Forms and Reports development, as I going to I already started, and I today already one session fourth tutorial of that series, and also Oracle architecture and database design, and also database administration, and Unix shell programming and shell scripting. So all these type of modules, video tutorial modules, I uploads here. I already uploaded many videos on Oracle SQL. If you see from the beginning, I uploaded many videos on Oracle SQL, that is structured query language, Oracle PL/SQL. I am just going to show you. Yes, so these are all the videos for Oracle SQL tutorial, and these are the this is the concept of DBMS, who actually started learning Oracle from the very basic. Keeping in mind all those candidates or students or whoever seeking for job, so keeping in mind all those people who wanted to learn Oracle technology and who are new in Oracle, so I basically uploaded here all the videos starting from Oracle basic database concept to database management, what is database management, what is relational database management system. So these are the 2 videos for this, and what is the SQL overall concept is there, what is the constraint. There are very videos on SQL, and I uploaded here PL/SQL programming, various advanced topics like Oracle cursors, exceptions, collections, arrays, explain plan, materialized views, then PL/SQL records, and also there are videos for database administration fundamentals, and other videos are SQL and PL/SQL. There is a video for Unix fundamentals and shell programming. So other videos are like, you can see here all the videos, there are various videos on different Oracle SQL and PL/SQL topics, as you see in my screen. So just start watching one by one video tutorial here, and when you are watching a tutorial, just watch it from the start to the end, so that you can understand it very well and in detail, because I describe each of the topic in each video in detail, so that anyone can understand it well, who is a fresher also, who is experienced also. Anyone can understand it very well, and I try to explain it very easily and in understandable way, and also hands-on practicals. Okay, so keep watching the video from the start to the end. Full video, you can just watch the full video, and yeah, I have already uploaded many videos on different interview questions and answers. As you see in my screens, people are facing many difficulties whenever they appear for interview for different Oracle positions like SQL developer, Oracle developer, Oracle PL/SQL developer, then database developer, then data analyst, and various kinds of roles like performance tuning analyst, or database administrator. So this all these interviews, these are the very common questions you can face. You may be fresher, or you may be 4 or 5 years experiences, or you may be 15 years experiences also. You may face all these questions. So in each of these, I have started here these interview questions from this video. So in each video I have discuss one question, and with the detailed answers, how you can prepare the answers, what are the actual answers for these questions. And if you prepare the answers as per my video, you will definitely answer well to the interviewer, if the same question asked by the interviewer, and if you definitely impress the interviewer. Okay, so here you can see differences between procedure function, differences between truncate delete, table and view, YD runum, then primary key and foreign key. Very important differences. I have interview questions I have uploaded here with easy explanation and hands-on practical also. And this is the difference, union and union all. And I have uploaded one top 15 interview tips here. Just follow these interview tips, just watch this video, and just comment below if you have already followed this in your past interview, or if you are going to follow in your future interview. Okay, just comment below. Okay, and this is the very much important video, as you see in the screen, the title. And there are many other videos like dual table, all about dual table. This is the interview part, interview tips part 2. Difference between, and this is the one cursor problem. One follower or one subscriber have asked me one question, and I have made this video for that question, on the basis of that question. So just watch this out. And this is the 2 videos for Oracle DB, how to export data in CSV and Excel file. And you can see all other videos like percentage row type, differences, table, how to transfer table data using collections. So these differences between int and exist. So all these videos are very important videos, and I just have uploaded here for your learning. And the differences between count star, count 1, and count of column name, these are very much important, and you can face this in interview. And logical database structure for Oracle DBA. And this is the Oracle SQL developer interview preparation, how you can prepare for SQL developer position. for going to interview. Okay, and this is the subster and stir function complete concept, and with the practical hands-on. And these are the sequel of these some tricky questions, and I have explaining it with answers, and these are asked by one follower of my channel. So these are the I just try to guide you for Oracle career growth and opportunities. What is the purpose, what is the prospect of Oracle career growth and opportunities? Just go watch this video. And this is all about virtual columns. This is the important video, and Oracle date manipulation. And I have started here from Oracle Forms Developer, as I started earlier, and this is the same series. In this today's video tutorial, I'll going to discuss on this part 4, okay, on this series. Okay, so this is about my channel and about me. Who are new to my video, who are watching new to this video, and who are watching new in my channel, for them I want to introduce myself. I am Rabin, and I have total 17 years of experiences working with all Oracle and different technologies, as I explained earlier, and also Unix technologies. I worked for Oracle DBA, Oracle developer to Oracle DBA, Oracle performance tuning, and also Unix admin also. And I have worked for 17 years of experiences. I have worked for 17 years in different multinational companies, like various positions, like starting from Oracle developer to technical consultant, then team lead, technical lead, then project lead, senior system analyst, project manager. So all these positions I have held during my work experience of 17 years, working with this kind of technologies, all these Oracle and Unix technologies. And currently I am a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and corporate trainer. I provide training for many MNC companies when they hires new employees. So I provided trainings for them, the employees of the company, and also the experienced people who are actually working in the company, but they are going to switch to new project which are basically on Oracle platform, so they needed some training. So I also provided that kind of training. Okay, and also personally, if somebody want to join my training, I also provide this training, all these trainings, like complete SQL professional training, complete SQL PL/SQL programming training, Oracle database architecture and database design training, and Oracle database administration training, Oracle performance tuning training, and Unix shell scripting and shell programming training. Okay, so I provide all these trainings through the online interactive sessions. If you want to join, if you feel that you need trainings on regular basis, and you need to keep it more skilled, and you are and there is also a interview preparation in my training also. So if you feel that you need trainings in regular basis, and all these trainings I am providing around 10 years, all these trainings. So if you think that you need training, you want to join my training, so you can join my training sessions, online training sessions. So there is a contact number here, about page. In my about page, if you just go to about page, there is a WhatsApp number. You can just WhatsApp me which modules or which technology you want to join the training. And also you can email me if you have some queries on that particular module, or whatever the queries you have. to join the training. So you can just WhatsApp me, or you can just email me whatever your question, or about the training, whatever you are interested for to join, and I'll give the details about the training, and also I'll give you the process, whatever you have to follow, and after that small process you can just join my online interactive training sessions. Okay, so that's the introduction about me, about my channel. And now I'll start about my today's video tutorial, that is Oracle Forms Developer, and this is part 4. Okay, so now I'll discuss about what is a master detail relation. Okay, so master detail relation means so tables in database the data are stored in tables. Okay, so and there are each table have a must have a primary key. Okay, so whoever actually don't know what is a table, what is a primary key, what is a foreign key, for them I have already I have uploaded videos, as I said earlier. So you just watch all the videos starting from the very beginning series. Okay, and in this video I'll going to explain you what is the master detail relationship. So in a database design, when we design the database, we have to create some master tables, and we have to create some detail tables. Okay, so master tables basically holds the master information, like one company has department, so this is a department master table. One table may be department master, and so the department number will be there, and department information, what is the department name, department information is will be there, and the detail table would contain which what the employees are working there. Okay, so this is the department table is the master table, and employees table may be the will be the detail table. And because in the master table, that is department, so I am assigning the department with the department name and whatever the other details about the department. And for each department some employees are working. So if I want the detail of a department, so I have to go to the employee table. Okay, so which employees are working in this department. So here employee table is the detail table. So this kind of master table, that is department table, department ID and department name and other details of the department will be there, and department ID must be the primary key. And in the detail table, like EMP table or employee table, the employee ID will be primary key. Okay, and employee table, and in employee table there must be the department ID to assign the employee to the department, right? Because employees are working in the department. So if I not assign a department to an employee, so he is basically not working in the company, right? So each employee must have to be in a department to work, to start work, right? So that's why in the EMP table department ID should be there, and this EMP ID in the department table, in the EMP table, will be the foreign key with respect to the department table. So I repeat, in the EMP table the department ID, whichever the department ID, will be the foreign key with respect to the master table, that is department. Okay, so this is the foreign key, and this foreign key makes the actual relationship between the department table, which is master table, and the employee table, which is the detail table. So this is called the relationship between the master table and detail table, and this relationship is made by the primary key foreign key relation. Okay, so this is the master detail relation actually. And next I will discuss about, I think you have understood it well. First point, point number 1, what is a master detail relation, and next one is how to create a master detail form. So I'll show you how you can create a master detail form in Oracle Forms developer. Okay, so for that I am going to my Oracle Forms developer. So I was explaining actually this table which is already in our Scott schema. So this is the department table, this is the master table, department ID is there, department name and location is there, and this is the employee table. This is basically the detail table with respect to the department table. Here the department table, you see department number is there. So here department number is the foreign key with respect to the department number in the department table. Okay, so this makes the relationship between the master table and the detail table. Okay, so this is the master detail relationship. Okay, fine. Now I'll show you how to create a master detail form in the form builder or forms Oracle Forms developer. So just I'll click over the Oracle Form builder. So when I will open the Oracle Form Builder, it will ask me this, it will show me this dialog, welcome to the form builder. I'll go for the default option, data block wizard. Okay, so I'll go to the next and tabular view. I explained it in my earlier session also, part 1 and part 2, but still I am just describing here also. Table or view I'll choose here. So now I have to browse for my table name, and here it will ask for my database connection, because I will use the database for this to operation in the database. So Oracle Forms connect Oracle Forms works with Oracle database, connecting with the Oracle database. Okay, so I will use the same username and password as my Scott schema in the database. So password is tiger. Just I'll connect here, and whenever I will connect the database, it will show whatever the existing tables are there in my Scott schema. So I'll choose that department table as a master table. Okay, so just I'll select the department and click over the OK, and I'll give all the columns as a database items. These are all the database items. So I'll go to next, and I'll click over. Okay, let's see database items. Okay, next I click over finish, and this is the layout wizard. So my items will be placed on the canvas. This is basically the canvas. So my items will be placed in the canvas. So just I'll click over next, and it will show the next canvas, new canvas, and type is content. So I'll click over next, and I'll display all the items in my canvas. So just click over all the move the all the items in displayed item, click over next, and this is the name, and just click over next, and this is form like I'll show in my canvas. The form like format for the master information or master table information. Just click over next, and I'll give the frame title as department. Okay, and I'll display record 1, and next. So I'll give the finish. I'll click over finish, and here you can see one block has been created with the name department, which is basically the table name which I connected, and I perform all the operations over form builder, right? So here all items are placed in my canvas. Here in items node I can see all the items, department number, dname and location. These are the 3 items. Okay, so if I go over the canvas, how I can go over the canvas? Just right click and I will go to the layout editor. So here see, you can see the department table, whatever the columns are in the department table, department number, department name and location here placed in my canvas with a form like, and I just give a frame with the frame title as I already shown you. I just rearrange this with a better look. I can just rearrange it with a better look like this. I can just move it in the middle so that it will look nice. Okay, I'll just make it like this. Okay, that is fine. So my master block has been created. Okay, so I'll now I'll go to the this object navigator. This is the object navigator. I explained everything about this object navigator in my introduction video, which is the part 1. Just keep watching all the previous videos, so that you can understand all the part well. Okay, so now I'll so this is the master table, and on this master table I have created a master block, and this is the items are placed in my layout wizard or canvas. Okay, so to work with detail and to emp, that is the emp table, I have to create another block. So that block I have to add here. Okay, to create the master detail form. So I'll go to the data block wizard. Just I'll right click here, or I'll just click over here plus icon. Yes, this is also showing the data block wizard. Okay, I'll give okay, and I'll click next, and I'll table or view, that is okay. And next the same process which I followed earlier for department table, and here I'll choose the emp table as a detail table. Okay, and I'll choose all these items as a database items. Next, now if this screen you will see in new, this was not in my previous whenever I create the first block, this screen was not there, and this screen comes in the second when detail for creating the detail block, because there is a relationship I have to made with the master block with the detail block, or master table with the detail table, right? So here I will create a relationship, because there is a relationship between the master table and detail table. What is the relationship? I already described. There is a department number, and here is the department number is a primary key, and here department number is a foreign key. Okay, so the department number of department table will be the department number of the employee table. Okay, so that relationship I have to made here. Actually I have to create this relationship here in the form. Whenever I create the master detail form, I just uncheck here, and I create relationship. I click over the create relationship, and this is based on a join condition. Okay, so it is showing department. I'll just okay, I'll click over okay, and now I have to select here my master item, my detail item. What is the detail item? What is the master item? Okay, so in the detail item will be the emp table, EMP tables department number, and the master item will be the department number of the department table. Okay, so here if you select these two columns here, you can see the joint condition is already made here. So emp dot department number equal to dpt dot department number. So this joint condition is created here. Okay, so this is the right joint condition. Okay, as I explained earlier also. So I'll just move to the next and finish. Okay, and display this present. Okay, this is the layout wizard. So I have to place the detail items to my canvas. So I'll place the same canvas, I'll place the items on the same canvas. So canvas is canvas 2, that is already here showing canvas 2, and all fields I'll display here. Just click over next, and in this time I'll choose tabular, because one department, in one department there are multiple employees, right? In department number 10 there are multiple employees, so there is multiple employees record will be showing there, so it should be tabular form. Okay, right, like this. So just move next, and this is the EMP information. I'll just make it EMP information. So I want to display record as 5. You can choose 10 or whatever you like. Okay, but within the canvas, it should be fixed in the canvas. Okay, I can just change it to 4. Okay, and next. So congratulations, it is showing. See here, finally displaying the detail information for the employee table in my for my employee block. Okay, so I just move it a little down. Okay, so I think this is looking nice. So this is my department information, and this is my employee information. So one department, for one department there will be multiple employees information will be showing here. Okay, so my master detail form is being created. Okay, so now I'll just run this form by clicking over this tool. See here, the form is displaying now. I'll just here some buttons you can see, and this button is execute query. If I click over the button, it will show me the tables, whatever the data are there in my tables. Okay, so if I click over execute query, so it will show me the EMP data. Okay, so why this department now information is not coming? Because my cursor was in EMP number field, that's why only this information is showing. Okay, so for that I have to keep my cursor on the master table. Okay, so my master table is department DPT. So now see here, my cursor is blinking, so that's why if I execute the query, it will execute only the employee information from the employee table. But if I keep the pointer here or keep the cursor here, and if I execute this query, see here, all the information from the master table and associated employee information is coming and fetching. Okay, so for department number 10, the department name is accounting and location is New York, and the employee information, these 3 employees are working in the department number 10. Okay, if I check over the database, see here, one, that is Miller, second one is this, that is clerk, and this is king. Okay, so I'll get Miller, king and clerk. Okay, let's check here, Miller, clerk, king and Miller. So it is fetching the record exactly in the database. Okay, so this is how master detail form is to be created, or we can create the master detail form in this process. Okay, so I think you have understand it well. And if I just move to the next record here, if you see some tools are here, next record, previous record, like this. So if I move to the next record, if you can see the 20, so department number 20, that's a research and Dallas location. So if I check over here, department number 20 is research and Dallas location, and whatever the employees in department number 20, that will be displayed here. Okay, and if I move next record, it will the 30. So and in department number 40, no employees there, right? So if I move now next, so I'll not having any information about the employee in department number 40. This is no employees working this department. Okay, so this is perfectly working. Okay, so master detail relationship and master detail form is working with the as per our expectation. So I think you have understand well how what is a master detail relationship, what is a master detail relationship, and how we have to create a master detail form, and how to do database operation using master detail form. Okay, so I think all have been covered in this video, and also I think you have understand it well. Just comment below how this video was for you, and just like this video if you like this video, and if this video was helpful for your learning, and if this video have added some value to your learning, just give a like, and also subscribe my channel, hitting the notification bell, so that you can get a notification for my next video when I upload the next part of this tutorial series. Okay, so just give a like and make the comment, whatever your comment is, how the video was, and if my video was helpful for your learning, just give a like and comment below, and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and colleagues to whom you know, so that they can also learn and grow their skills from my video, watching my videos. And that's all. Thank you very much for your time, for watching my video, and bye.